Hey yo, check this video out.
Yo, Brooklyn, salute. Another one.
Another one.
Yeah, this is like my 4th or 5th Lifetime Achievement Award. This is definitely an achievement within an achievement. This means a lot to me. The reason why? This is not for Bounty Killer. And this is not for music. This is for Rodney Price and his persona. I just want to say thanks to CMA and all the organizers for choosing me, because there's lots of other philanthropists out there working just as hard and even more than me. So I just want to encourage all the philanthropists, all the humanitarian, all the people who work by giving care to others. Big up on yourself.
That is it. That is it.
Yeah. I just want to say, I want everybody to support a foundation wherever or however you can. I don't get a lot of support for the Bounty Foundation. I just got a few loyal donors. But I want to say, one of my biggest and most dedicated donor is a 9-year-old girl.
9-year-old.
9 years old. She's 12 now. I met her online 3 years ago. On her 9th birthday, she said
never too old to help people, bro.
No gift. She wants to give.
Never too old and never too young to help
and she
people.
sent Bounty Foundation 9 barrels of clothing and all sorts of goodies. She's a Jamaican Canadian living in Toronto. Jasmine Headley. Remember that name. It doesn't matter how big you are, how small you are, or how much you have. You just need a warm heart to give. Play me a rhythm. I ain't gonna come up here and laugh and talk. Yo! Hey, Khalid! Wanna turn up this now? CMA! Give me a rhythm! Look into my eyes, tell me what you see. Can you feel my pain? Am I your enemy? Give us a better way. Things are really bad. The only friend I know is this gonna happen. Listen to the voice. This is not a threat. Can you see me dying? Are you worried yet? They be talking about they want the world to cease. When you show us hope, then we will show them peace. But take it love giving you originality. Yo! See you, man!
That is it, guys. Shout out to Bounty Killer on his award. You know what I'm saying? Guys, you are never too old or too young to help another person. You see me I say? I just love, respect and growth and success. You see me I say? Every day and every night. Let's go.